welcome to the channel's playlist that transforms your money mindset, builds your financial confidence, and help you turn ideas into thriving businesses. If you ever felt overwhelmed by money, struggled with saving, investing, and even understanding what financial terms mean, this video is for you. But before we dive in, kindly smash the like button. Do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon so you don't miss our subsequent videos. Use the WhatsApp link on the description of this channel to join our YouTube community. It's absolutely free, only for the first 50 people to be in that community. In the community, I share real-time tips, tools and resources to guide your business journey and to answer your most relevant questions. If this is your first time on this channel, I'm Jude Anyanwu. You are welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome back. Let's start by telling you the truth about money. To break financial myth, introduce the psychology of money. First of all, what is money really? Most people think it's just cash or numbers in a bank account. Did you know 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck? Not because they don't earn enough, but because they were never taught how to manage what they earn. This is actually not your fault, but it becomes your responsibility. From the psychology of money, let's move on to core financial principles, which include budgeting, saving, debt, and compound interest. Let's build your foundation. These are the 4 pillars every financially literate person must understand. With budgeting, you'll be able to know what's coming in, what's going out, and where it's going. As for saving, you have to pay yourself first and create emergency fund. When it comes to debt, not all debt is bad, but ignorance about it is. While the compound interest is magical, that's why Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. From financial principles, what you need next is understanding business finance. When you talk about business finance, you're pointing finger to revenue, profits, cash flow, financial statements. If you're running a business or plan to, understanding these 4 terms is non-negotiable. Revenue is your total income. Profit is what's left after expenses. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business, while financial statement is your business report card. But the truth is that great product alone doesn't guarantee success. A financially literate entrepreneur understands margins, pricing, cost management, and cash runway. From here, let's move to investing. Think topics like asset classes, risk versus reward, long-term strategy, etc. It may interest you to know that investing is not just for the rich, it's for the wise. But there are 5 major asset classes. Number 1 is stock, 2 bonds, 3 real estate, 4 commodities, 5 businesses. If you are curious, the secret is to start small and start now. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to work its magic. Come to think of, do you know that if you invest $100 every month at 10% annual return, in 20 years you will have over $68,000? That's the power of compound interest. The next one after investing is one of the most difficult or challenging to handle, which is financial habits of the successful. Think mindset, automation, tracking, financial literacy. But what do wealthy people do differently? They don't just make more money, they manage money better. Some key financial habits of the successful include automating savings and investments, living below their means, continuous financial education, tracking net worth, and building multiple income streams. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Do not forget that we are still on introduction to finance. So what are your next financial moves, if I may ask? Your mind should picture financial planning, business funding, financial independence. Now that you've learned the core principles, what's next? The first is set a financial goal, save for a business, invest in real estate, clear debt. 2. Build a plan, budget weekly, invest monthly, review quarterly. 3. Protect your wealth. Think insurance, wills, trust, and diversification. If you want to grow your business with clarity and financial structure, join our YouTube community on WhatsApp. It's completely free, only for the first 50 people, and it's for like-minded people walking the same path. Let's quickly take a look at 2 important questions people always ask me in real life. The first question reads, can I start a business with no money? My answer to that is absolutely. It means that you start with skills and knowledge, then use them to generate income. That's not really easy though. The second question reads, is crypto a good investment? This is a tough one. Well, my answer to that has to be crypto is a high volatility investment. Probably it can be, but only after you have your financial foundation in place. Say your thoughts about this video or what you think about finance in the comment below. You've just taken a giant step toward mastering your finances and unlocking your business potential. If this video opened your eyes, kindly subscribe, hit that like button and turn on your bell notification icon so you never miss a tool, tip or lesson on this channel. Finance doesn't have to be crazy, but with the right mindset, tools and guidance, you can win this game. See you in the next video.